Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are very good, right? So today we are here to do the revision 1. Okay, so revision 1 is your chapter number 1, right? That is, today we are going to do the revision number 1, okay, of chapter number 1, right? Numbers up to 200. So children, as you all know that last week we have completed our chapter number 4, that is numbers up to 1000. So you know numbers up to 1000 and you know all the things related to it, like number names. So children, these are the topics that we have learned through chapter number 1. Yes. So first thing that we have learned in the chapter is the number names. So do you know what are number names? Yes. Like suppose that if a number is written this. So first of all we will write ones, tens and hundred, right? And then we have to write here 200. Right? In this way the answer is written. Now second, if I will take number is written, so we will write ones, tens and hundreds over it, and then we'll start writing number name for it. Okay, so 100, right, and 7, right? It is done. Now second is our numbers. Yes, so we have learned the counting also. Yes, like after 11 what will come in, if after 11 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, like this we can write further. Yes, and just like this only, if numbers are given like this, how will you write? Okay, so how will you write? You can write easily 114, 115, 116, then 117, like this you can write ahead, right? So in this manner we have learned the numbers also, right? Now our next topic that we have learned is put the sign. Yes, greater than, lesser than or equal to. So here like numbers are written, so how do we put these signs? Let's see. Suppose that 106 and here also 106, so both numbers are equal, दोनों number बराबर हैं, तो we will put the sign of equal to here. Yes, now here we will see the first digit. Yes, first digit is 1 in both the numbers, then the second digit, that is 1, and here 0. So which one is greater? 0 is greater or 1 is greater? कौन सा number greater है, 0 या 1? So 1 is greater, so we will write like this. Okay, then see 1 1 9 9. Now we have to take the last digit, we have to see the last digit, 3 5. Which one is greater? This one is greater, so this number is greater, right? So like this we have learned. Do you remember? Yes, we have to do like this. Yes, now the next option is, next point that we have learned through that chapter is ascending order and descending order. Ascending means from smallest to biggest, right? Smallest to biggest, है ना? Smallest to biggest. Right? Like if numbers are written here 5, 10, 9, 6, 2. So how can we arrange these numbers in ascending order? First of all we will write 2, the smallest one. सबसे छोटा कौन सा इनमें? 2. So 2 we have to write. Then the second biggest number. Yes. Then the second number will be, yes, 5 or 6 or 9 or 10. So 5. Then 6. Then 9. Then the greatest number is 10, in this way, है ना? और descending order means descending इसका उल्टा होता है कि biggest to smallest. तो सबसे बड़ा डिजिट यहाँ पे क्या है? सबसे बड़ा नंबर 10, then 9, then 6, then 5, then 2, right? So just like this we can do in 3-digit numbers also, right? Like if numbers are given here, see another example of numbers are given here. Yes, 110, 140, 170, 120. So first of all we will take which number? We have to see the tens place value, because ऑल हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वैल्यूज़ आर सेम, है ना, हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वैल्यू सबकी सेम है, सब में 100 है ना. तो हम क्या देखते हैं, वी हैव टू सी द सेकेंड, दैट इज टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू. सो सी विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट वन, 1. So we will write here 110, right? Then 120, then 140, and then 170, right children? So this is the way we can arrange the numbers in ascending order. And in descending order, if I want to arrange them, then we have to write first of all the biggest number, that is 170, then 140, then 120, then 110, right? So this is the descending order. DO means descending order. Okay, so after that what we have learnt about even and odd numbers, right? So let's see what is even and odd numbers. So children, what are even numbers? The numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the last digit. Yes, in the last digit they are having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers, है ना. Like for example, a number is given 12, a number is given 180, right? So if you see the last digit, what is the last digit of it? 2 and 8. So they both are called even numbers, right? And what about odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, है ना. जिन नंबर्स के लास्ट में ये वाले 5 डिजिट्स आते हैं, 1 आता है, 3 आता है, 5 आता है, 7 आता है, 9 आता है, these numbers are known as odd numbers, right? Like if a number is given here 83, if a number is given here 87, if a number is given here 119. So if I check at the last, which digit is there? 3. At last 7, at last 9. So these all are called odd numbers, right children? So in this way we can guess easily what is even and what is odd number, which is even number and which is odd number. So you have to always remember, आपको हमेशा ये बात याद रखनी है अपने दिमाग में कि इवन नंबर्स जो होते हैं उनके लास्ट में क्या आता है? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 के जो मल्टीपल्स होते हैं वो आते हैं, राइट? एंड ऑड नंबर में क्या आता है? ऑड नंबर में आते हैं डिजिट्स जैसे 1 हो गया, 3, 5, 7 एंड 9. Clear students? Now next we have learnt about expanded form and short form. So expanded form होता है, suppose that a number is given 139 यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, right? आपको इसका क्या बनाना है? आपको इसका expanded form बनाना है. तो आप सबसे पहले लिखोगे 1s, 10s and 100 over it, and then you have to write 100s, right, plus 3 10s प्लस 9 1s. ठीक है, एक तो मेथड ये होता है कि आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हो 100 प्लस 3 10s प्लस 9 1s. सेकेंड मैथड इज यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, 100 प्लस 30 प्लस 9, है ना, क्योंकि प्लेस वैल्यू हम दोनों ही तरीक़ों से निकाल सकते हैं. आपको पता है ना अच्छे से, आप प्लेस वैल्यू में आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो और ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. बोथ वेज आर करेक्ट, सो यू कैन राइट इन एनी ऑफ द मैनर. Okay, now here comes the question about short form. So how do we find short form? Suppose that a number is given here 100 plus 30 plus 3. So how do we get it? We'll get the short form by writing 100 10s and 1s here, and we can write hundreds की place पर क्या आएगा? 1. How many 10s are there? 3. How many 1s are there? 3. So we have got the number 133. Yes, in this way we can find out the short form. Okay, after that we have learned the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10, right students? Do you remember ordinal numbers? See children, ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers help us to refer to the positions of the numbers, है ना. ये हमें क्या बताते हैं? ये हमें position बताते हैं. Yes, so we use first for 1, second for 2, third for 3 and so on. So here 10 numbers were given. We have learnt these numbers also. Yes, like position 1, है ना. So it is written as first 1 and then ST. Yes, 2 is second, 3 is third, 4 is fourth, 5 is fifth, 6 is sixth, 7 is seventh, 8 is eighth. See the spelling. After writing 8 is spelling, and then we have to write H, EIGHT and then put H. Yes, 9, NINTH. Okay, NINTH, not NINETH. Okay, and 10th is 10, TEN10, and then TH. Yes, so in this way we have learned this, right? So we can continue the exercises. Okay, we will do chapter revision of this chapter in textbook also and in notebook also. Okay, so open your page number. So this is your page number 24. Okay, so first of all we will write today's date, 28th September 2020. Right now you have to start doing the questions given here. Okay, see the first question. This is a block of 100. So how many 100 blocks? 1. This is blocks of tens. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. We will write here 7. And how many units? 1 and 2. So 2 ones are here. Okay, so we have to write the number name also of it. So we will write 100 and 70. Right, 172. Okay, now here we have to write down the place value of 5. Okay, so this is the place value, ones, tens and 100. So what we will write here? We will write 5, 0, 50. Right, now here face value of 1. तो face value हमेशा क्या रहती है? Same. It will remain same, 1. Now we have to complete the pattern. Complete the pattern. 171. What will come? 172. Then 173. Then 175. After 74, 75. Then 76 is already written. 177. Then 178. Right, children? Now here the numbers are given and we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order also as well as in descending order also. Okay, so let's see the numbers. Okay, so first of all we have to see the numbers. Here once hundreds place values is same, right? So we will see the tens place value of every number, like 8, then 7, then 6, then 0, then 9. So which is the smallest one? This is the smallest one, 0, 1. So 109, right? Then which will come here? 166. Which one will come after it? 175 है ना. उससे बड़ा क्या है? उससे बड़ा कौन सा नंबर है? Which is greater than this number? 181 and then 109 है ना. And in descending order we have to write numbers from here to here. Yes, first of all we will write 190, then we have to write 181, then we have to write 171, then we have to write 166, then we have to write 109 है ना. क्योंकि ascending होता है smallest to biggest and descending is biggest to smallest. Okay, now see the next example. 1, 0, 1 again, right? 1 again, 1 again. So first of all we will write this number 101, right? This number we have written. Now after 1 which digit is there? Let's see. 0, 1, 4, 7, right? So we have to write 0 first. So we will write here 110 है ना. Then 111, then 114, then 117. So smallest to biggest we have arranged. Now see here also 117, then 114, then 111, then 110 and 101. Right? In this manner we can complete it. We can write descending order also and ascending order. Okay, now children, here are some things, some birthday gifts are placed by Sid. Sid is the name of a boy, है ना. He has got presents, he has got gifts on his birthday and he has kept all the gifts in a row. ठीक है, उसने सारे gifts किस में लगा दिए? एक row में लगा दिए. Now you have to answer all the questions according to this places. Yes, these places, these positions, like hat is at, yes, first position, second is ball, third is badminton, fourth is bicycle, fifth is school bag, sixth is t-shirt. Okay, so Sid's favorite gift is placed in second in the row. तो second कौन सी है? ये है ना second. So we will write here football, foot and ball. Clear? Now see, his best friend gave him the third gift. Third gift कौन सा है? What did his best friend give him? है ना, उसके best friend ने उसको क्या दिया है? Badminton. So we will write here badminton. Okay. Now see, Sid loved the color of the t-shirt. है ना, t-shirt का color उसको बहुत पसंद है. It is placed at the dash position in the row. तो कौन सी position पे है t-shirt? Let's see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So we will write here sixth, S-I-X-T-H. Yes. Now see, Sid felt excited to show his dash gift. That is his new school bag to his friends. कौन से number का gift है? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So fifth gift. Yes. Now his mother gave him the bicycle, है ना. So Sid placed it at the dash position in the row. कौन सी position दी है उसने bicycle को? Fourth position. Right. So in this way, ordinal numbers we have revised. Yes. Now here are two bags, right? This is bag A and this is bag B. Now what we have to do? We have to write all even numbers here and odd numbers here, right? So let's see, 200. So 0 is at the last, so it will come here, right? Now 9 is here, so 9 is odd, so we will write here. Yes. Now next is 5. So 5 is also odd, so we will write here. Yes. Now see next number 6. So 6 is even, so 136. 0 is also even, so 140 is also even. Now 8 is also even, so 18. Then 2 is also even, so 192 will come here. Then 165. So 165 we have to, yes, we have to write here, right? Then 0 again, so 0 will also come here. 100 will come here in this bag. Then 2, then again 62 will come here. Then 178, so 8 is here, so that is also an even number. Okay, so in this way we have completed all questions related to chapter 1 in this exercise. Yes, now it's time to do work in your notebook. So all of you take out your maths notebook and start doing work in it. Okay, so here is our notebook and we have written today's date 28 September 2020 and revision 1 we have written. Okay, and these all questions I have given you in the form of multiple choice questions. Okay, so let's do it. Which number will come after, just after 23? 23 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 3 के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, 4 will come. So the number will become 24. See where 24 is written, 25, 26, 24. This one is correct. We have to tick. Yes. Now which number will come just before? Before मतलब पहले. So 9 से पहले क्या आता है? 19 से पहले क्या आता है? Yes, let's see. 124. No. 180. Yes. So we have to put on a tick on it. Yes, we have to put a tick on, yes, 180, right students? After that, next question is, place value of 7 in 171 is dash. So first of all we will write ones, tens and hundreds. Yes, now see, 7 is at tens place, so tens, hundreds or ones. So tens is the correct answer. We have to put a tick on it. Dash is an even number, है ना? इन सब में से कौन सा even number है? We have to check. Okay, so 2, 3 or 5. Yes, 2 will come in even number, so 112 is an even number. Okay, now see the next page. Yes, on next page you have to write the face value of 2 in 112 is, है ना? फेस वैल्यू क्या है? 2 की. तो आपको पता है फेस वैल्यू हमेशा सेम रहती है. इट रिमेन्स ऑलवेज सेम. It will become 20? No. It will become 200? No. It will remain same. So we have to put a tick on 2 only. Yes. Now the next question is dash is an odd number. ठीक है, इनमें से कौन सा नंबर है जो odd number है? तो C 117, 120 और 182. So 0 and 2 will come. Whenever 0 and 2 will come, a number is called as even number. 7 is odd number. So 117 is an odd number, right? ऑर्डिनल नंबर ऑफ 8 इज़, 8 को हम ऑर्डिनल नंबर में कैसे लिखते हैं? लेट्स सी, 8th EIGHTH और EIGHT, नो. EIGHHT, नो. दिस वन इज करेक्ट. यस. नाउ नंबर ऑफ 107 इज, नंबर किसका? 107 का क्या होगा, है ना? सो हम क्या करते हैं? वी हैव टू सी, यस, वी हैव टू राइट वंस, वो सॉरी, hundreds, tens and ones, 100, tens and ones, 100, tens and ones, है ना? देखते हैं. लेट्स सी, 107, 107, नो. 107, नो. 107, यस, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्योंकि टेंस की प्लेस पर तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना, सो दैट इज वाई दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. यस. नाउ सी, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ 170 and 9. Okay, so let's see, hundreds, tens, ones we have to write first of all, है ना? Yes, so we have written hundreds, tens and ones. अब check करते हैं. 170, no. 100, yes. 70, 7 tens आते हैं, and then 9. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, so in this way we have done the revision of this chapter, right? So students, I hope that you have recapitulated your whole chapter in a very nice manner. Yes, and kindly do the preparation for your exam, as your exams are coming soon. Okay children, practice daily. Stay home, stay safe. Have a wonderful day ahead children.